Swami Vivekananda, in a letter to Swami Ram Krishnanand, had said there is no chance for the welfare of the world unless the condition of women is improved. Stop. It is not possible for a bird to fly on one wing. Stop. This government believes that we can make progress with greater women's participation. Stop. In India's growth story, particularly in the rural economy, Gramin Arth Vyavastha, the role of women is a very sweet story. Stop. This government wishes to encourage and facilitate this role of women. Stop. Gender analysis of the budget aimed at examining the budgetary allocation through a gender lens has been in place for over a decade. Stop. I propose to form a broad-based committee with government and private stakeholders to evaluate and suggest action for moving forward. Stop. There is no segment of human life where the contribution of women is not significant. Stop. This government firmly believes that the socio-economic transformation that is taking place, particularly in the last decade, Indian women's role and leadership is distinct. Stop. The recent elections have shown record turnout of women voters at par with men. Stop. We also have a record 78 women MPs here. Stop. This reinforces our approach of going beyond just women centric policy making to building women led initiatives and movements. Stop. Para. This government has supported and encouraged women entrepreneurship through various schemes such as Mudra, Stand UP India, and the self-help group movement. Stop. In order to further encourage women enterprise, I propose to expand the Women SHG Interest Subvention program to all districts. Stop. Furthermore, for every verified woman SHG member having a Jan Dhan bank account, an overdraft of 5,000 shall be allowed. Stop. One woman in every SHG will also be made eligible for a loan up to 1 lakh under the Mudra scheme. Stop. India's soft power is appreciated in so many different ways. Stop. Some simple examples: in the last 3 years on International Yoga Day, yoga has been practiced in large numbers in 192 countries around the world. Yoga has been practiced in large numbers. Mahatma Gandhi's favorite bhajan was sung by the respective lead artists in 40 countries. Stop. The annual Bharat Ko Jano quiz competition is sought after as an event to participate by not only NRIs but also several foreigners. Stop. I propose to consider issuing Aadhaar card for non-resident Indians also, so to facilitate them. Stop.